When you respond with Hineni, it implies that the caller, in this case God, has full attention of the protagonist. Wow! 1, 2, 3, jump! All nyo. Okay, Old Testament! For your goodness po, Panginoon, sa buhay namin. As we study your word, Panginoon, mangusap na po sa amin, speak to our hearts. Lord, may we be able to for the Lord does not see as man sees, for man looks at the outward own, sa kanan ko kayo tatalon. In the verse, it's a Bible verse. Okay, that's the Bible verse. If the Bible verse is from
one in faith, and to honor you, to adore you, to bless your name.
Amen.
Bless you, God, for the many good things that you have done for all of us. The God, we ask the Lord that you
Amen.
Thank you for the hearts that are given, the heart of